Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have the first unboxing from my wish list for 2025. I am so excited. You guys obviously already know what this is. Okay, I know you know what this is if you've already seen my wish list for 2025. If not, I'll link it right up here. But if you saw that, it's pretty obvious what this is. But this is actually doubly exciting because this was my Christmas gift from Elver. Yes, I am officially unboxing it on January, what did it say, like the 6th, 17th? Today's the 18th. I can't believe that I already have this piece. I mean, I just made my wishes video like you guys just saw it the other day. So like the fact that this is here right now, are you kidding? So if you guys want to see what I got from Tiffany, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already want to say, if you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. Like luxury, like handbags, like fashion. We like Tiffany unboxings. I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel. Outfit of the day. Something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into your box. So this is a little beautiful Tiffany blue bag. Like I said in my gift guide video for 2024, I'll link that right up here. I don't think there's a single girl who would see a Tiffany blue bag or box under the tree and not spaz the F out, okay? So inside the little baggie is a Tiffany blue box. There is actually a ribbon in here. I don't think that I opened that ribbon, but I don't really remember because Christmas was so long ago. And it does say Tiffany Co, New York. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's literally white on white. But how cute is that? What do you guys think it is? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You know what it is. We all know what it is, okay? So opening it up, there's another box. And when you open the final box, you guys, are you kidding? Was that the ugliest face you've ever seen? Are you kidding? Look at this. This is the hardware earrings by Tiffany in the large size. These are in the sterling silver. And this is exactly what I wanted. This was on my wish list. I also mentioned it in my luxury gift guide video. Elver watched both of those videos and he did the damn thing, man. He did it. And I'm so excited. I'm not a sterling silver type of person. I feel like it's too expensive for how much maintenance there is. And I just feel like it's annoying to take care of. I do like silver, like in general, like as a color, like white gold type things. I like that. My issue is just with the sterling silver itself. But these earrings in yellow gold are like over $4,000. I don't wear earrings like often enough. Like I switch out my earrings every single time that I leave the house pretty much. So it doesn't make sense for me to spend that much money on earrings that I feel like I wouldn't get the cost out of. I wouldn't get the wear out of. So that's why I felt like the sterling silver was the better option because it's obviously a much more cost effective. And I feel like because I won't be wearing it as much, it still kind of made sense for me to get this version. And just look at them. I'm gonna just like, are you kidding me? It does say, I don't know if you can see it. It says Tiffany like right over here. It's kind of engraved in there. So let me tell you about when I opened this up, okay? So Elver had been telling me, I already got your Christmas gift. I already got your Christmas gift. And I was like, okay. I had no idea what it was. I didn't specifically like ask him for anything. I was just kind of like,
do you live your life? I'm sure it'll be fine.
And if you guys remember last year, which I will link what I got for Christmas last year right up here and last year's gift guide, because last year in my gift guide, I mentioned a Cartier, I don't even remember what the name of that freaking, the Cartier necklace with like the tiny little diamond on it. I mentioned that in my gift guide video and Elver watched that video and he bought the necklace. This year, he kind of just went the same route and watched both my wish list. No, my wish list came out after Christmas. So I'm definitely lying when I say that. He watched my luxury gift guide video and literally the first thing I mentioned are these earrings. And I literally said, this is like, I'm just mentioning it because I want it so freaking bad. And I bought it. I got my gift and I started opening it up. And as I opened it, it was wrapped up. It was like a box wrapped up. So I took off the wrapping paper and I saw that it was an Amazon box and I was very confused. I couldn't think of anything from Amazon that he would have bought me. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like everything that I want from Amazon, I just buy it like immediately. So I opened up the Amazon box and as soon as I lifted the flap a tiny little bit, I could see the Tiffany blue color peeking through and I knew exactly what it was at that point because there's nothing else from Tiffany that I ever mentioned, I don't think. I was just so excited. I was so excited. Good thing I put links at the bottom of my videos, guys, okay? Make it real easy. Make it real easy for Oliver.
I'm gonna try these on. I don't know if I should do it today because I'm wearing these. Should I just do it? I'm just gonna do it.
This is actually my first ever Tiffany item. Like, this is literally my first jewelry piece from Tiffany. Look at stuff. I have like no earlobe. My ear is just like really small in general, but I literally have no earlobe. Elver! Look, these are earrings you got me.
Oh yeah.
Does that look nice?
It does look nice.
You like it? I only put one on. I didn't put the other one on.
Looks nice.
I just love them so much. They're so shiny right now. I know they're gonna like get duller with time, but I think there's like cloths that you can buy. So I'm gonna try to keep these in like as beautiful condition as I possibly can. Like I said, sterling silver is just not my favorite material in general because of all the upkeep, but I made the exception. I was gonna make the exception myself, but you know, Elver did it for me. What am I gonna say now? Look, I'm gonna accept those terms and conditions. I just love them so much. I honestly love the hardware line in general from Tiffany. I think it is so freaking beautiful. I like it a lot more than the lock collection, which I know the lock is like everyone's favorite. I have to say the lock is kind of growing on me a little bit. Okay, they came out with a narrow lock, and now I think that one is like really cute. I'm kind of liking it a little bit. But in my opinion, the hardware is just like, it's unbeatable. There's just not even a question in my mind. I feel like it depends on how the earrings wear. But if I have a good experience with the earrings and like, you know, the upkeep of the sterling silver, I would definitely be open to adding like a necklace. And it would have to also be in the sterling silver just because the earrings are in sterling silver. So I just feel like we got to match, right? You don't know how happy I am. And it's exactly the piece that I wanted. So Elver killed it. Okay. When I say Elver killed it, that man killed it. This is what I said in last year's Christmas unboxing video. The fact that he watched my video. He doesn't usually watch my videos. Obviously, he has no reason to. Like, this is not his world. He doesn't know shit about luxury. He doesn't give a crap about this is not for him at all. So he doesn't usually watch my videos at all. But the fact that he watched my entire luxury gift guide just to like see my reaction, see like what I thought about certain pieces, just to decide what he was gonna get for me. That's crazy. I didn't think when I made that video that it was directed towards him at all. So I just like, I'm blown away. It's just like the sentiment behind this that is just like everything to me. So I'm so excited to wear my new earrings. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you like the hardware collection? Do you like the lock collection more? Do you like these earrings? Do you like the sterling silver? Let me know. If you have any experience with sterling silver though, definitely let me know, because I can't say that I'm not scared. I'm scared, bitch. I'm scared. But I'm really going to try hard. I'm going to try hard to like make sure that she stays nice and shiny and beautiful for as long as humanly possible, because I love it so much. But definitely let me know what you guys think about my new piece. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wait, for this birthday, you turned 31?
Yes, I turned 31.
Now you're 32.